This year's iPhone is better than ever with everything you could ask for, except the iPhone 13's brighter display, longer battery life, and powerful cameras make it the best iPhone for the mainstream audience. But we wish. Supposing you like the iPhone 13 but want something smaller and more pocketable, the 13 has a smaller sibling in the shape of the iPhone 13 mini, a compact handset which does everything the iPhone 13 does. But it is for those with smaller hands or those who don't really care about huge phones. The 13 and the 13 mini are identical in design, colors, processor, cameras. In fact, they are the same in every way except screen size, battery size, and price. So this review applies to both iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. The iPhone 13 mini will start at $699, while 13 with 128GB of storage will cost $799. There's really two design changes of note for the iPhone 13. First, the cameras on the rear are now arranged diagonally instead of vertically. Second, and more importantly, the notch is now 20% smaller while still delivering the same great true depth camera system and the best in game Face ID. But still, that notch is huge when compared to any of the latest Android devices. The iPhone 13 comes with a 6.1-inch display, which is the same scale as the iPhone 13 Pro, although the technology is slightly different. The standard 13 comes with the standard 60Hz refresh rate, while the iPhone 13 Pro model moves to the all-awaited ProMotion display. More on that in the iPhone 13 Pro review. If that ProMotion tingles your senses, hit that subscribe button with ProMotion. Sorry, extremely sorry. But in all seriousness, if you want to see the iPhone 13 Pro review the first, hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified when it comes out. The iPhone 13's display has a peak outdoor brightness of 800 nits, so it's easier to read in sunlight, and if the content you are looking for is at HDR, then the peak brightness leaps up to 1200 nits. The A15 Bionic is an all-new chip which Apple says is nearly 50% faster than the competition. Who knows what that means exactly though? But what becomes clear as you use it, even for a short time, is this is a very fast and high-performing phone. Of course, it does the simple things like opening apps instantly, playing videos smoothly, and so on. But the chip comes into its own to make things like cinematic mode work so straightforwardly and effectively. More on that in the next segment. This chip is power efficient too and contributes to one of the best pluses on the iPhone 13, increased battery life. On the iPhone 13, the battery life is increased around 2.5 hours, while Apple claims it does. And it chimes with my test too. Apple corrected one of the biggest problems in the previous models. The battery life sucked until last year's lineup, but the tables have turned. There's much more to the iPhone 13 camera than just a new diagonal arrangement of the lenses. The wide camera now gathers 47% more light than the iPhone 12. Another plus is that the ultra-wide camera can now capture 4 times more scene, and its newer sensor delivers better low-light performance along with less noise. The iPhone 13's cameras are excellent, delivering strong details and great color fidelity. As an everyday camera, this one is hard to beat. But there's more. Apple has introduced 2 new features in the iPhone 13. First, there is something known as photographic styles, which lets you choose a signature style for your photos. The second new feature is a video upgrade. That's just brilliant. Cinematic mode is like portrait mode for movies. It blurs the backgrounds as you shoot videos. So, as somebody walks into the frame, or as somebody in the background turns and looks at the camera, they're suddenly in sharp focus and the rest of the video is blurred. Slowly and steadily, the need for DSLR cameras is diminishing. The camera systems in the 13 and the 13 mini are excellent. If there was not also the iPhone 13 Pro in the world, this had been the best camera out there. The iPhone 13 improves on what was already the best iPhone for most people by introducing a bunch of welcome enhancements. I especially like the longer battery life, as the iPhone 12's endurance was underwhelming, even for a 5G phone. I would not recommend that iPhone 12 owners upgrade to the new iPhone, but the iPhone 13 is worth if you own an iPhone 11 or an older device. I like to see Apple offering a faster charging speed next time around, be it via USB-C or MagSafe. And promotion. The bottom line is that the iPhone 13 is a fantastic phone and raises the bar for what you think a camera phone can do. So I think let's wrap this one up. This was quite a short one. The review of the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max will be out very soon. And those phones are by far the best phones money can buy. Are you also bored of using the same old glass type designer phone and want something spicy? Check out the review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. It's on your screen, and this flippable phone is quite flipping amazing.